Check it out, guys. The SYMA X440 do-it-yourself drone. It's just some little modular toy quadcopter that you can pull the arms on and off. But it really seems like it flies well. You know, it hovers really stable. And wow, I was pretty impressed with the hovering and the little bit of flight that I did. Okay, let's get it out of the box and see what we got in there. All right, guys. First off, you got the controller, which is pretty self-explanatory, but it does take 4 AAA batteries, so you need 4 AAA batteries to get it going. There's the on and off button right there. Alrighty, and then you get a charger. Here's the actual drone body itself. Then you get 2 batteries, and they are 2 by 400 milliamp hour. So you get 2, which is always a plus. Then you get some spare props. Then you get the arms, which the props are already included on the arms when you get it. So it's not like you got to put them on there. Then here's the little back cover for the battery. And you get a user manual. You know, that comes with it too. And SYMA always has really good manuals. Probably the best manuals of any toy manufacturer. So when you go to put this together, all you got to do is line up the number on the prop. So this prop here is a 132. And then you see where it says 132 on there. And you just plug it in, snap it in. So this next one would be a A2. So you just want to find the A2, and that's this one right here, and you just plug it in. And just follow it all the way around. Here's the 131. Plug it on in there, and then here's the other one. I think it's the A1. And that just plugs in right like that, no problem. Then to pop the battery in there, and you see the pins right there. So there it goes, it just snaps right in there. Just like that, and then to turn it on, you hold that button there. See that? Whoa, maybe we'll bind that up real quick. Start it up. I'm not gonna take it off in here, but we're gonna go out and fly it. So the level calibration is right there. It's down and to the left. Let's go fly it. All right, guys, we're out here with the SYMA X440. It's a legend. I'm not sure which way's the front and which way's, but we're gonna figure that out here in just a second. Okay, we're gonna turn it on, do the level calibration. Now in the manual it says it's down and to the right, but when I do, it's down and to the left. So I don't know. You know, who knows? We're gonna figure it out here in a second. But we're gonna take off. I actually had it the way it was supposed to go. I didn't even know which way it actually went. So let's fly it around a little bit. I am at some new park, Westmoreland. Let's see, that's second. Okay, so it only has 2 speeds. Okay, that's the trim. The trim is press this in, hold that in, and move the stick to which way you want to trim it. Okay, so I wanted to go a little bit forward on the trim there. Yeah, it flies really nice. Wow. Of course, if you go into the trees, it doesn't fly nice, right? I didn't know that I was standing that close to the trees. But you know what? No big deal, right? Piece of cake. You see how I saved that? So that was a nice save there by me. So I'm going to leave the crash in there. So, you know, nobody's perfect, right? But it flies really nice. I didn't know I was so close to the trees, to be honest with you. I'll move out here a little hair, so we'll try to prevent that from happening again. Okay, so that little mishap didn't throw the trim off that much. So let's try one of these flip buttons. Okay, so that's not what that is. That's a takeoff and land button. Right, the flip button must be the one next to it. Now I'm catching a little bit of breeze here, guys. That's why I keep pushing the drone back toward me. There's the flip button here, and this one's the take off and land button. But it flies really nice, guys, really nice. Steers real good. And you know, that's the whole key with these toy drones. Jesus, I've said it so many millions of times. If it doesn't fly good, it's no good. I don't care about these gimmicks with these toys. I really don't. You want it to fly good. And this is great because it's a SYMA. And most of them, they do, you know. Most SYMA toys fly very well. You know, they're known for that. So, yeah, it flies great. Boy, it's hot today. I think it's already like 87. And it's only like about 10 o'clock. Wow. Anyway, so this is one of the new parks right 2 miles from my house. It's called Westmoreland City Park. Now let's try this other, there's some other feature on here, some spinorama type thing here. It's one of these other buttons over here. I guess that ain't it. Yeah, there it goes. You hold that in and turn it, and it does a couple of 360s. So it's just a little gimmick. It doesn't really do much. There's another one. You hold that one, and you see it's going to go and do the same thing again. So, you know, it's got a couple little gimmicks to it, but, you know, nothing major. The flips work great. So yeah, wow. I think, yeah, the batteries were 400, so, you know, it's getting some decent flight time. I'll put that little clock in there like I always do. Yeah, so wow, real good. Flying great. So we're just gonna fly it around here and run the battery down to see what the flight time is. Now I did notice since I've been living out here now for a month. I think Saturday was my 1 month anniversary of living out here. Now I've driven by this park. My house is 2 miles down that way. There's that main road up there, that 993. So my house is 2 miles that way. Exactly 2 miles that way. This is the first time. I think I've come by here at least 25 times. At least. These two kids right here, this is the first time I've ever seen anybody here at this park. Ever. This place is as dead as a doornail. So this is probably where I'm going to be coming and shooting most of my videos. Now, it's very roomy. I mean, there's a lot of room here, right? So this is probably where I'm going to be coming to bring the videos, or to shoot the videos. I think the battery is getting weak. Well, wow, what a great flight. And look how stable this thing is. And I'm outside, right? Okay, I'm outside. I'm not like in the house. Wow, holy crap. Great stuff. Let's see if I got any battery left. We do a flip. Okay, so we still got battery. So the battery life is very impressive. I can tell you that right now. So wow. I'm just trying to trim out that little bit of breeze, which you cannot do, which I've said 1,000 times. You can't trim out the wind because you never know which way the wind is going to go, right? It changes direction all the time. You trim it out this way, it goes back the other way. Yeah, this is a really nice bird here, guys. Very stable. Wow. Very impressed with this thing. Great toy. SYMA did it again. Another great one from SYMA. Yeah, this one will be, when I'm done with the video, this will be going out to Mike. Mike is the SYMA collector, so I'll get this out to him. And he can fart around with it. But yeah, it flies really nice, man. Really nice. Can't ask for anything more than that. Wow. Oh, we want to thank SYMA for sending this out, right? Yeah, we want to thank them. And there will be a link in the description if you would like to pick up this magnificent SYMA X440. Yeah, great stuff. I'm really surprised at how long this battery's lasting. Wow. I think I'm going to stand back here in the shade for a minute and just wait for the battery to die, because I'm actually getting very hot. Okay, so it's not flipping anymore. So that means the battery's getting ready to go. Let's see if we get a warning. Sometimes you get a warning, sometimes they just drop out of the sky, you know. So you don't know. You never know until you do it. There it goes. It just dropped out of the sky. Hey, you know. So you know when it doesn't do the flips, just like all toy drones, when it doesn't flip anymore, that's the end of the road. There it is. SYMA X440. Great product. Great little toy. Wow, very impressive. Very impressed with the little SYMA. All right, guys. That's the end of it. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.